In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Gopuff discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser right here and search for Gopuff discount promo code. Right here, select this website, which is called retailmenow.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with $100 of your order, all you have to do is select show code right here. So this is the discount code. You can copy the promo code from right here and you can apply this one on your next purchase to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called couponfollow.com, which also provides some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this one with $20 off, all you have to do is select right here, show coupon code. This is the discount code. You can copy this one from right here and you can apply the promo code on your next purchase in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.